Welcome to the grand adventure of real estate investing. Today, we're setting off on a journey that's both exciting and full of possibilities, whether you're a first-timer or just curious about how it all works. It's not just for the wealthy anymore. Everyday folks are discovering how property can build a solid future. Across the country, people from all walks of life are realizing that real estate can be a powerful tool for creating stability and even a little adventure. Unlike stocks, real estate is something you can see, touch, and improve. You can roll up your sleeves, add a fresh coat of paint, or fix up a room, making your investment better with your own hands. People will always need places to live and work, making real estate a steady, reliable investment. No matter what's happening in the world, homes and workplaces remain essential, giving real estate a unique sense of security. Think of this as a grand day out. We'll pack our basket with knowledge, curiosity, and a sense of adventure as we explore the world of property together. You don't need a fortune to start, just curiosity, a willingness to learn, and a sensible plan. Even small steps can lead to big changes over time, and every journey begins with that first question. We'll cover the types of properties, how to spot a good one, and how to avoid common pitfalls. From cozy cottages to bustling apartment buildings, there's a world of options to discover. The goal isn't to get rich overnight, but to build something dependable for your future. Real estate rewards patience and thoughtful planning, helping you create lasting value over time. So grab a cup of tea and let's begin our fantastic voyage into American real estate. Whether you dream of a new home, a smart investment, or just want to learn, you're in the right place. Ready? Let's dive in. Why property? Simple. It can generate steady monthly income, cash flow, from rent, providing you with reliable returns. Over time, property values often rise, building your wealth through appreciation. Real estate offers tax benefits, letting you deduct expenses and keep more of your earnings. The magic of leverage means you can control a valuable asset with a small down payment, multiplying your returns. Unlike other investments, you get both income and long-term growth. It's a powerful way to build wealth even if you're starting small. That's why so many people are putting their cheese in property. Let's see what kinds of properties you can choose from. Real estate comes in many flavors, each with its own unique opportunities and challenges. Whether you're looking for something simple or aiming for a more complex investment, there's truly something for everyone. Single-family homes are the classic starting point, easy to understand, straightforward to manage, and often the most familiar option for new investors. They're usually the simplest to rent out and maintain. Multifamily properties like duplexes or fourplexes offer multiple income streams and more stability. Since vacancies in one unit don't mean a total loss of income, they can be a great way to scale up your investment portfolio. You can even live in one unit and rent out the rest, a strategy called house hacking that helps offset your own living costs while building equity. Commercial properties, offices, shops, warehouses bring longer leases and bigger rewards, but are more complex to manage and often require more experience and capital. There's also land, a blank canvas for future growth and development, and REITs, which let you invest in real estate without being a landlord or dealing with tenants directly. For beginners, single-family or small multifamily homes are usually the smartest way to start, offering a manageable entry point and a chance to learn the ropes. Pick the type that fits your goals, budget, and comfort level. Think about your long-term plans and how much time you want to spend managing your investment. Each has its pros and cons, but all can help you build wealth and create a more secure financial future. Now let's talk about how to get started on your real estate journey. Before you invest, get your house in order, literally and financially. Start with education. Read, listen, and learn from experienced investors. Next, review your finances. Know your income, expenses, and how much you can save for a down payment. Build an emergency fund for unexpected repairs. Set clear, written goals. Know what you want from your investment. Check your credit score and improve it if needed. A better score means better loan options. Get pre-approved for a mortgage so you know your budget. With a plan and finances ready, you're set for your first property hunt. Preparation is key to avoiding costly mistakes. Let's find out how to spot a great deal. The hunt for a great property is a lot like prospecting for gold. Exciting, challenging, and full of surprises. You never know where you'll strike it rich, but with the right approach, you can uncover hidden treasures in the real estate market. Start by teaming up with a real estate agent who truly understands investors. A knowledgeable agent will help you spot money-making properties, negotiate better deals, and steer you away from costly mistakes. But don't just rely on online listings. Get out there. Drive around neighborhoods, look for neglected homes that others might overlook, and check out local auctions for those hidden gems that aren't on everyone's radar. Always crunch the numbers before making a move. Add up your mortgage, property taxes, insurance, repair costs, and even factor in possible vacancies. A smart investor leaves nothing to chance. Make sure the rent you'll collect covers all your expenses and still leaves you with positive cash flow each month. That's the key to long-term success. Use the 1% rule as a quick test. Monthly rent should be at least 1% of the purchase price. It's a simple way to spot strong investment opportunities. Remember, location is everything. Focus on safe, growing neighborhoods with good schools, access to jobs, and plenty of amenities. These areas attract reliable tenants and tend to appreciate over time. Don't forget to research the area's future prospects. Look for signs of development, new businesses, or upcoming infrastructure projects that could boost property values. Finding a truly good deal takes patience, thorough research, and a sharp eye for value. It's about being persistent and knowing what to look for. Now, let's make sure you avoid some of the most common blunders that trip up new investors. Even the best investors make mistakes. Let's help you avoid the big ones. Don't skip your homework. Always research the property and get a professional inspection. Don't underestimate expenses. Budget for taxes, insurance, maintenance, and vacancies. Stay objective. Don't fall in love with a property. The numbers must work. Stick to your investment criteria and be ready to walk away if a deal doesn't fit. Don't try to do everything yourself. Consider hiring a property manager to save time and headaches. Build a team: agent, lender, inspector, and manager. Learn from others' mistakes, not just your own. Smart investors plan, stay disciplined, and ask for help when needed. Now, let's talk about building your knowledge and network. No one succeeds alone. Keep learning and find mentors. Read books, attend local real estate clubs, and connect with experienced investors. A mentor can help you avoid mistakes and fast-track your progress. Join a real estate investment association, REIA, to network and learn what's working in your area. Ask questions. There's no such thing as a silly one when you're starting out. The real estate community is generous with advice. Take advantage of it. Start small. Maybe your first step is saving for a down payment or reading your first book. The key is to take action, keep learning, and build your team. With planning, courage, and knowledge, you'll be on your way to a solid portfolio. Good luck, and happy inventing.